What's the most expensive fighter jet ever built? Fighter jets are some of the most advanced machines on the planet, but that technology comes at a price. Stealth capabilities, cutting-edge avionics, and advanced weapon systems all drive costs sky high. Some jets, like the F-22 Raptor, cost around $150 million per unit, while others, like the F-35, aren't far behind. But neither of these is the most expensive. The title goes to a jet with unmatched speed, power, and stealth. The B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, costing a jaw-dropping $2.1 billion per aircraft.